Hey guys, so we're just gonna do like a little practice animation today just to kind of get us ready for animating our emojis. So just have fun with it. I'm using Google Drawings and I just kind of made like a little scene. I have a blue gradient as my background, and then I pulled in a ping of a city skyline and a ping of a T-Rex. And some different things you can think about as you're deciding like how you want your animation to move. Size difference. So as the animation goes on, something could get bigger or smaller or closer or further. You can change color, like in the background or an object's color. You can introduce something new. You can actually move something along the scene. So all of those things will work. So I went ahead and made this. I named it Dino 1. So definitely do name your different frames, okay? Because otherwise it kind of gets confusing. So Dino 1. I'm going to go ahead and download it as a JPEG, so I have it as a picture file. And then I'm going to make a copy so I can start my second frame. So I already did that. So make a copy. And when you do, I recommend that you then just call it Dino 2 or whatever you're going to name it, but put that 2 in there. So in my second frame, I've moved my dinosaur, I changed the color of the background, and now I have a meteor that I've introduced. So I did the same thing. I went to File, I downloaded it as a JPEG and made a copy. And now I am on Dino 3, right? So you can kind of start to see where this is going, right? Same thing. And now I have Dino 4. And this is the end of my animation. So once I have my different frames and they're downloaded, that's when I can go to Gifmaker. So if I'm in Gifmaker, I'm going to pull this up to make a GIF. And then I'm going to switch to manually ordered upload. And from there, I can choose my different images that I want to have in my animation. And for me, that should just be my recent, but I would recommend putting them in your graphic design folder. Sorry, waiting. Actually, might be in downloads. There we go. Okay, so I've got my different ones. So I'm going to go ahead and open each. So you'll add each one in the order that you want. I'm just going to do 2 really quick so that I have time to show you. So we'll do Dino 1 and Dino 2. Accidentally hit cancel. Okay. Open. So you'd want to upload all of yours, and then you're going to go to upload and make a GIF. Now, once you do that, you're going to have these options where you can have different timing between the different frames. So you can play with that if you want. I leave it on just continuous loop, which is empty. You can do these things if you want to, but I've chosen to leave them blank and make a GIF. So it'll take a second, and then you'll see your little GIF file. So I only have 2 things, but yeah, so you can see it right there. And then you could go ahead and save it. Now I'm actually going to make it a movie file, and then I'm going to save. Shoot, I didn't do that. Let me go back. So again, I'm going to convert it to movie and hit convert. And then I'll go to the little save icon and save it. And then I can turn it into Google Classroom.